Let's see how the euro against US dollar is currently behaving. Yesterday, the price has formed indecision candle. It is indecision because we can see the candlestick wick on the upper side is almost the same size of the wick on the lower side and the small candle body. The price has jumped between 1.17467 and 1.16836. We can see that, which means indecision between the buyers and the sellers. What is important is the close price of this candle body, because it is below this close price and open price of these two candles, which means a slightly bearish momentum. And we can see currently this day has also started to move in this direction. So the price is currently at the support level, which is still holding 1.16836, and we will see how the price is behaving. What we can expect today, it is also depending, because it is a Friday, which is usually the day when the traders get out from their trades, and also it is usually when the price do not respect the technical analysis completely because of probably some kind of a news, and also because the traders get out from their trades, locking their profits before the weekend starts. Before moving forward, I would like to mention that this video analysis has been sponsored by the broker called Ultima Markets. I'm using their trading platform, which is MetaTrader 5, which I have downloaded from their website. You can find a link here, ultimamarkets.com/mt5, and you can download that for several of operating systems. I'm currently using a PC version on a Windows base, so you can be sure that it is working correctly. Then, if you are becoming their client, you will have availability to log into your dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you will have several of these menus, which will provide you more details for your trading. For example, on the homepage, you will have everything that is currently available on your account, which you are able to deposit or withdraw, or transfer, or check the history. If you have accounts, for example, I'm currently using a demo account on my trading analysis. This is here, which is visible, but you can also switch between the demo and live accounts here. After that, you can also check funds. You can check also the promotions, which is currently available, and it is 50% of a bonus. Here are the details that you can also check and also opt in currently. So feel free to check that. The link for the registration will be below in the description. The downloads section also allows you to download everything about the trading platform. You can see lots of these operating systems are available. Then you have also social trading. You have a tools which you can use, Trading Central, technical analysis. Then you have also a calculator. If you need a support, feel free to check that. And if you are using a web browser for trading, then use a web trader. Everything is on hand inside this dashboard, which is pretty easy to use, but everything depends on you. Is it good for you? And also you need to check for yourself to feel that if it is okay or not. But usually it is pretty simple and it's very useful to use. Now, regarding the promotions, you can also check these details, but also the details about the leverage and also the spread is visible here. Several of the accounts are available, so feel free to check the standard account or ECN account. These are the speeds and also the platforms that are available. But regarding the spread, you can see that there are also 0 pips as a spread available using the commission, but also starting from the 1 pip is very good. Now, regarding the minimum deposit, you can see that starting from the $50 is available for trading. So remember that they are also allowing to trade the crypto and also the gold, which is currently also I'm using in trading. So feel free to check all of these details on their website. The link will be below in the description, so you can also check that, all details, and after that register if you would like to use them. Now let's turn to the trading platform to continue the analysis. Since yesterday, we can see that the price has formed a small breakout to the lower side, which means there is more strength from the sellers. I am expecting that the price will try to move further down, and we can see the small support level is visible right here. It is our 1.16565, because it is a small confluence between the buyers and the sellers, where the price could not return back all the way back down, but it has bounced slightly up. We can see that yesterday the price has touched this area of support. Now, if the price managed to go further down, and especially on the lower time frame, like it is 4-hour time frame, if the price manages to go further down, and we can see that the price is currently forming ahead, it has formed this bearish breakout going below this area of support. This is indication of the further decline in value. Now the area here 1.162 is the next support level where the price could stop around 1.163. And yesterday 1.163 is an area around this one here where the price could stop, and we can see these wicks of this candle and also around this area here is where the price was returning back down. It was a small resistance, so this will be also acting as a small support for the price. So I'm expecting that the price could reach this area today. After that, what the price will do, will the price return back up just to close above this area of support? This is something that we need to watch closely, how the price will behave. But if the price goes down and close the daily candle below this area of support, which means the price closes here, this will be just indication of the further decline in value, which means 1.15848 will be the next target. So let's see how the price behaves today, and let's go step by step, watching how the price will go on the lower time frame, like 4-hour time frame, and especially 1-hour time frame, how the price is behaving around this area of support and resistance, and then we will act accordingly. If the price makes a bearish breakout, indication is that the price will go down. But if the price goes up, which means the price returns back above 1.170, this will be indication of the further rise in value. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.